Luminox, and this is a little fancier for Luminox. We're taking a look at the autumn, if you guys believe that there is such a thing. Yes, Luminox does have an automatic line, and it is a pretty nifty watch overall. Here we are unboxing it. Take a quick look at it. This is Diverse Series. Now, it's just a good looking watch, real simple. Not a whole lot going on. You've got a lot of great features for a good price on this series. So here we got the back with the automatic movement. I kind of like the black on there. It does have the Luminox logo on it. So let me move it around so you can take a look at it. Luminox is a Swiss brand, and it is a Swiss movement in here. And here you go, you can see the Luminox logo right there. See if I get a little bit better. And then here, what's neat about this, easy to adjust the band. You see those gaps, you pull out the spring bar, so you could pop this guy on like a rubber watch. This one only comes with the metal band, but Luminox has a lot of options to switch up the band on you. This one has that fantastic it's just a rich blue, a little lighter than navy, almost like a brilliant blue. And this is the XS34, and it features a 316L stainless steel bracelet, and it is 42 millimeter. It's 42, and it feels like a 42, maybe a little bit smaller because the case is so kind of compact and everything there. And this one here is automatic, and it features that blue texture dial. And the movement in these guys, they're a Stellita movement, but for the here for the watch, just a little over $1,000. It's kind of a neat little Swiss watch you can get. You'd be surprised at the sapphire crystal on this guy, and it does have a ceramic bezel insert there. So yeah, a little bit of luxury there. When you think of Luminox, you don't always think of those higher end features, but this watch was a little bit of a, I'm used to more of their quartz offerings, and this particular model, this blue model, just came out now, August of 2024. And I know some of the videos go on for a while, and a couple years later you'll be like, wait, what, that one's been around for a while. But nope, this video is being shot in August 2024, and that's when this watch came out. And it's kind of patterned on there. I'm trying to show you guys a couple different angles on it. The band's a decent band. It's a nice band and everything. Overall, it's a good watch. This is, again, the Luminox Pacific Diver. It's the automatic blue, and it's the Pacific Diver series. And this one, of course, is 200 meters. You can go down, and it's got the screw-down crown as well, as to be expected, with this sort of dive watch. And here you can see it on my wrist. My wrist is a 7.5 inch wrist, and again, the watch is 42 millimeters. So you can see it's not really thick. It kind of hugs the wrist, and plugs don't go out too much. You can see there how they just kind of bend ever so slightly. It does make it a real comfortable watch to wear and to feel. So this is a good piece overall. And again, a nice little surprise here with Luminox. You got some luxury at a more of a budget price. And here we see Luminox, of course, known for their great glow in the dark. Take a look at that. That thing shines up like Christmas lights. Looks fantastic. I'd like to take the time to thank you all for watching the video. If you keep liking these Luminox, let me know, and I will keep doing more Luminox videos along with the other Seiko and Oris videos that I do. So thank you. Have a good one. Bye.